Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview metal frame pool with filter pump. At 10 foot long and 30 inches wide, this large round frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. An affordable and easy to set up alternative to more complicated steel-walled pools and a more durable alternative to inflatable models. This pool is made of two outer layers of strong PVC tape and a middle layer of polyester fiber mesh cloth, which is resistant to light, folding, and leakage. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. Ready for water in 30 minutes. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Laminated sidewalls are reinforced with an all-around band to keep frame legs firmly in place. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.